We need to find every open cargo container and get rid of it now.
Well, why? We got nothing to hide. Do we?
If I had an hour, I would be able to list half the things Hondo has done wrong today. We have to hide everything.
But where?
Whoa, what are you two talking about? It is our honor to welcome these impromptu stormtrooper visits.
Of course.
We have absolutely nothing to hide. And even if we did, which we don't, where would we hide it? Certainly not on the ships.
No.
It's not like every ship here has an area that is specifically designed to hide things for smuggling.
Of course not.
So everyone, just get back to your normal everyday work, shipping our normal everyday shipments by putting everything on the ships.
I don't mind being an extra corner. So it suits me. Once you've done it, I'll do it again.
To your right for me, please. To your right hand side.
And this is Onaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. The Millennium Falcon. On loan for some very fast and very profitable expeditions. You look at my fine favorite. Yes, as Henry, you let us use the ship. We'll get you the supplies you need. In a win-win. You help the resistance, and I get no profits. What? The first one will never know we are there. Okay, time to go, so, alright. We better go before he changes his mind. Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better you work together, the more you earn. And if and when you are successful, the rewards will be astronomical for me. And you, after all, you will split 70-25 minus your 10% of 25.
For me, and then 2 engineers in the 3rd row. You're exiting out. That's 4. You ready for flight crew 6? I'm boarded into the Falcon. Head on in for me, travelers.
Never.
Slide on up. Let's get hang tight right here. Slide next up.
Right hand, flying up or down, flying down, flying up side to side. Which way's left? I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure you're right. Got this. Gunners, we're going to have one button on our side. Just keep pressing as fast as you can. Shoot everything you see. Make sure to clear the path for your pilots. My engineers, pull panel buttons on your side. Press them all as they line up to fix the down instead of position them. Do you have any questions? Perfect. Just make sure to take off any bags or fanny packs. Just have and hold them in your hand. Once you get inside, they're going on the ground while you're clear.
Hit any button that lights up. Yeah.
I did not think I would see you again after the incident. You're braver than I thought. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. Now get the move on and know that I have complete faith in you. But I am coming along with you just...
Remain seated and supervise younglings. Por favor, permanezcan sentados y cuide a los niños. Gracias.
Alright, make sure all bags are off and on the floor for me. When you guys are seated, just put that seatbelt on. When you're all buckled in, plop on the yellow strap on that seatbelt to make sure it's locked. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Hurry now, time is money. Flight engineers, repair test. Hit your flashing buttons. Good job, engineer. Right pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left, move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right, pull back on the stick to fly up and push forward to fly down. Oh, watch it! Flying this thing so easy, eh? Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed. They've locked onto us. Take evasive action. There it is. After that train. Flight engineers, fire the harpoon. Excellent. Now, gunners, shoot the cargo free. Pilot brakes. Good work. Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Now power up the ship. Well, I have the coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Now that the resistance has what they need, maybe a little something for Hondo. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Gunners, shoot the train. Yes, keep mashing those controls. The cargo is breaking. Keep shooting. Good job, my friend. Yes, yes, yes. We got the coaxium. I will grab it. You keep up to the train. Things are getting too hot. We've got to get out of here. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry. It's coming down. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Boost, boost, boost. Look, we did not die. Let's get out of here. Great job, my friends. You retrieved 2 containers of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is... Wow, excellent!
Ooh, Master Pirate. Yes.
Time for you to go. Don't worry, payment is on the way. Trust me.
I have to press it again so I can get the other one.
All available text, we have a Corellian freighter that needs immediate transport back to the maintenance bay. Well, I guess it's not too bad, considering what it's been through. Let's get this fixed ASAP.